Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. I purchased some new items from Spellbinders and I made some cards that I want to share with you. But let me show you all the items that I use for the cards that I'm going to share. So first up, the Spellbinders Fashion Jet 120 self-adhesive embellishments. Next up, from the Paper Studio, that's Hobby Lobby, these adhesive gems in gold. You get 120. From Waffle Flower, this stamp and die set called Essential Celebrations. This is like my go-to. Next up is Essential Sentiments stamp and die set from Waffle Flowers. This is my second go-to. And one of my newer favorites, this is Sweet Lettuce Sentiments. I have the die set that'll go along with this stamp set. Super cute. I love the different fonts on this one. And then the last but not least, as far as the stamp sets goes, Birthday Wishes from Waffle Flower. And once again, I really like Waffle Flower sentiments. They usually stamp very well and die cut really easily. I also use this Essential Stylish Ovals from Spellbinders. And then also the Postage Edge Rectangles from Spellbinders. I don't use these enough and they're so gorgeous. So what's new is the embossing folder of the month for August. It's called Hand Drawn Lines. And I'm going to show it to you on a card. I know it's kind of hard to see here with the glare. But super cute embossing folder. And then the star of the show, the die of the month for August, the large die, is Colorful Expression Blooms. It is 15 dies. And this set is really nice. I love the big floral that you have here. This has definitely moved up to the front, maybe past Club Blooms and the other florals die sets from Spellbinders, but I really like this one a lot. So let me share the cards with you. So I have 8 cards that I made, and so let's get started. So first up is this cute little pink combination. This one is super simple, small card. I put the adhesive gems on the flower to kind of give it some pop. Next one is this really pretty orange, and if you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know that I love orange. I mean, I really love orange and green, and so I use this one, and I also use some paper from 49th and Market. It's on the, I'm using as the layering sheet. It kind of had a watercolor look, and so it's super simple. And I also use some gems from my stash that I got from Spellbinders. Really love this card. Next up is another orange creation. And use some gems from my stash. Now this paper is called Vintage Artistry. God, I can't even read it. It's Tangelo Mellow. Mirage, I think. But this is the brand new strip from 49th and Market, one of my favorite paper companies. Super cute. The next one is where I did use the Handmade drawn embossing folder, and I used it with some 49th and Market paper. And all the paper, if I don't say that it's like from a different company, most of the paper that I use is from Joann, and it's the basil paper. But any of the design paper usually is going to be 49th and Market, but I'll let you know. Super simple card, no sentiment needed. Could be used as a note card, birthday card, get well card, any occasion. But I thought it was really pretty. And then we have another creation here with the polka dots. I haven't used a lot of polka dot paper in a while. I used to like really using it, but for some reason I got out of fashion. But I thought this turned out really cute. I love the brown with the craft color card base that I use. I always leave that 1/3, I guess it is, edge on my cards. Or maybe it's a 1/4. I don't know. But super pretty. And then this one, I just made this one this morning, and I just kind of fell in love with this one. This is going to be hard for me to give away because it's so cute. It is really, really nice. I like it. I like the postage edge, which, like I said, I don't use enough. And then this paper from 49th and Market with the little butterfly hanging on there. And then I use some gems. And I just think this card is adorable. I popped up the flowers with some foam squares and glued the rest of everything down. The sentiment is popped up with some foam squares, and they're the ones from Spellbinders. I like those a lot. Super cute card. And then the hello, and then this one is just some yellow goodness here, and I love the black adhesive gems on there. It just kind of pops. This is where I use the stylish oval. This is really pretty. I had some paper on my desk, some yellow that I had used in a previous card. I think I shared it in my last video. And that's what I do sometimes. I have paper scraps on my desk, on the little corner of my desk. And if I don't put them in my scrap holder, I'll just see them over there and I'll use them. And that's how this card was created, using paper scraps. Super pretty. And last but not least, I think this is my favorite of all. And that's this one. And this is using the hand-drawn line embossing folder, as well as the large die of the month for August. And it's really pretty. Use some gems. And this paper is gold paper from Spellbinders. I started using that paper maybe this year or late last year. And I love it. It just, as you can see, it embosses really pretty or well. And it's just really, I like the gold. It's really pretty. So there are my cards. Here are my cards. So you have to tell me, I always like for you to tell me which one is your favorite. Is it based on color or design? And one thing about using, making 8 cards with the same die set, it's kind of hard to make, different ones, because you kind of like one design and you like go with it. But you're not sending all the cards to one person unless you're giving them, a gift of cards to be mailed out to other people. So I don't think it's wrong with kind of duplicating some of the designs that you create. So I just love this die set. And once again, it's the August die of the month, large die of the month, and it's called Colorful Expressions Blooms. 15 dies. Super pretty. So thank you guys for watching. I'm searching for my favorite card here so I can leave the video with that one. So there you go. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're thinking about subscribing, go ahead and subscribe and see what happens. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.